despite repeated proclamations, statements, and promises that he would not do this, Joe Biden gave a blanket pardon to his son, Hunter Biden. Now, it wasn't just a pardon for the crimes that he was convicted of. It was a blanket pardon going all the way back to 2014, which interestingly now covers all of the Ukrainian and the Chinese Communist Party activities that the Biden family was involved in. This comes while we're also seeing other left-wing billionaires like Reid Hoffman talking about fleeing the country. If these people did nothing wrong, why are they so worried about the government coming after them? You see, Joe Biden pardoning his son. Again, I'm not going to get too worked up about this. A father should look after his son. Family does come first. But from the presidential standpoint, this is much more about the corruption and the lying and the deception of the president of the United States. Joe Biden all along should have just said, look, I'm going to look very closely at it. If I feel if my son is mistreated, I'm going to pardon him. No, instead, Joe Biden promised to the American people this is not going to happen. No one is above the law, is what he was saying. In fact, that was the whole left-wing talking point, that no one is above the law. Let's play here. Let's play cut. I was actually looking for one of them of Joe Biden promising he wouldn't. Oh, that's right. Let's play cut 7. Joe Biden promising he would not pardon Hunter Biden. Play cut 7.
And I am satisfied that I'm not going to do anything. I said I abide by the jury decision, and I will do that, and I will not pardon him.
In May, have you ruled out a pardon for your son? Play cut 29.
And I am satisfied that I'm not going to do anything. I said I abide by the jury decision, and I will do that, and I will not pardon him.
But let me ask you, will you accept the jury's outcome, their verdict, no matter what it is?
Yes.
And have you ruled out a pardon for your son?
Yes. This nation was founded on the principle there are no kings in America. Each of us is equal before the law. No one is above the law. Each of us is equal before the law. The American principle that no one is above the law was reaffirmed. In my administration, no one is above the law.
Breaking news shows the president has discussed pardoning Hunter Biden with some of his closest aides, at least since Hunter Biden's conviction in June. They decided at the time that he'd publicly say he would not pardon him, even though it remained on the table. So basically, we're just going to lie. It is the same cabal that told you the vaccine was safe and effective. The same group of people that told you that you need to have 6 feet of social distancing. The same people that told you these early treatments like ivermectin and hydroxychloroquine were horse paste and was going to kill you. The same people that told you the virus came from some wet market in Wuhan. Same people that told you that Vladimir Putin was going to march through Europe. And he's the new Vladimir Putin, that Ukraine is vital to American national security. The reason Trump won is because we don't trust any of these people. This is Karine Jean-Pierre saying that no one is above the law. Play cut 31.
The president believes no one is above above the law, and the president met the moment talking about how no one is above the law here.
Does the president have any intention of pardoning him?
We've been asked that question multiple times. Our answer stands, which is no.
And they've lied about it repeatedly. You see, the media here doesn't quite understand what's going on here. Let's play cut 8.
Earlier in the evening, the president released a statement reading in part, there has been an effort to break Hunter, who has been 5.5 years sober, even in the face of unrelenting attacks and selective prosecution. In trying to break Hunter, they've tried to break me, and there's no reason to believe it will stop here. enough is enough. And just now, Donald Trump posted on his Truth Social account, quote, "Does the pardon given by Joe to Hunter include the J6 hostages who have now been imprisoned for years? Such an abuse and miscarriage of justice."
Don't you just love that they have to read his Truth Social word for word? You could tell they just hate it. They hate it.